Ever repaired a crack, only for it to fail? Some cracks don't lead to failure just because they exist. They fail because the repair never reached deep enough. One common mistake in crack repair is using surface-only materials. The crack may disappear outside, but underneath, the concrete is still separated. If the material cannot fully penetrate the crack, it won't reach the full depth. No complete bonding. No structural restoration. CONFIX IJ is a two-component, low-viscosity epoxy injection resin designed for structural crack repair. Restoring the bond inside brings the concrete back as one solid piece. It is used for structural crack injection in beams, columns, slabs, and foundations, as well as repairing structural cracks and eliminating cold joints in concrete. Because in structural repair, hiding the crack is not enough. The goal is to restore the structure from within. CONFIX IJ Low Viscosity Structural Epoxy Resin for crack injection repairs. Available nationwide at BUILDRITE Hub branches and official online stores.